Let me just cut to the chase really fast. We have the opportunity to test a new product that we've kind of been in coordination with through some friends and some relationships that we developed. And we got a piece of equipment that they use in NASA in the spaceship and stuff for heating water. And after we played with this for a while, we found out that we could put it downstream of a cold water power washer, hook it up to a 12-volt battery, and heat the water with it. It's kind of like one of these booster 12 volts that we use, you'd carry around if you got to jump off your car or something like that. It's got a dead battery. So we've just hooked it up to this system here so that we can charge it and get to heat the water. Remember, this is new technology. It's something no one's ever seen with 12 volts. And it's just in this little bitty box. This thing is amazingly energy efficient at transferring and heating up water. So, Mark, if you would start that machine up, we're gonna turn this on and do this quick test for you. And what we've done is to put a temperature gauge here and let me get the gun, pull this trigger. So nothing's happening right now, but once I turn this knob on, there we go. Let me turn it on up. We got the red light now. Now we got heat. And then we're just gonna watch this gauge as the temperature comes up. It's sitting right around 70, 75 degrees. I'm gonna spray this up. It sure is windy out here today. So, let's give it a second there. Kind of take some of the, you can kind of hear it, feel it, getting a little warm. But it'll, see the temperature gauge, so you'll know on your end that it's actually working and heating up the water. We'll see how warm it gets. Now this is great. Like when you're out on these job sites with a cold water machine, you need to clean up those oil spots or get the gum up, things like that, where heat makes a big difference. Just put this little thing on, hook it up to your battery, and boom, start getting hot water. We're, looks like we're around 80 degrees here, maybe 90. That, just even that temperature change can make that big difference on how well you can move stuff off the surface. Because remember you got three things that give you the ability to clean. That's mechanical force, which is the pressure. You got chemicals, detergents, things like that help break it down. And then you got heat. Heat is what really makes everything really active. So here we are, we're at 100 degrees. So keep in mind that this is a new technology. If you're interested in it, click the link, go check it out, and be one of the first to get it and start using it in your service. So I think these things are gonna sell like crazy. So anyway, there we go. We look like we're about 115, maybe somewhere between 110, 115. Yeah, I can hold it. So that's good warm water. Wouldn't want to hold it real long, but that's what you get. So I'm gonna go cool it down, then turn it off. So anyway, like I said, check it out, hit the link, see what it's all about, what the new technology can do for you. But that is the new innovative system from us here at Powerwash.com. We haven't named it yet, but get in early. If you've got ideas for a name, post it in the comments below. We'd love to hear it. And then just hit the link, sign up to be one of the first people to get this offer. Thanks and have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.